Balanced diet for weight management. A balanced diet is essential for maintaining a healthy weight and reducing the risk of chronic diseases such as diabetes, heart disease, and cancer. It is important to include a variety of foods from all food groups in order to get the nutrients needed for good health. Eating a balanced diet can help manage your weight by providing the right amount of energy and nutrients for your body. Regular physical activity can help you maintain a healthy weight, reduce the risk of chronic diseases, and improve your overall health. Making small changes to your diet and lifestyle can help you achieve and maintain a healthy weight. Eating a balanced diet and being physically active are key components of a healthy lifestyle. Talk to your healthcare provider about ways to improve your diet and increase your physical activity.